Alright, so this is the 2014 Ninja 300. We already took off the windscreen and put a black windscreen on there. So that looks really good compared to this. And we got a little exhaust. We're going to do a little exhaust test right here. I'm going to show you what this exhaust sounds like, and then we're going to put a little slip-on this 2014 Ninja 300. So we're going to do an exhaust sound test right now. See if we can get this thing started. Got a good old 239 miles on there. But yeah, I don't know why that had cut off, but that's the sound we got right there. Alright, so we about to see what's up with this slip-on. So what we're gonna start is we're gonna take this off. Try to make this as quick as possible. I don't even know if this fits for this 2014 or not, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see if it fits. Alright, anyway, we're gonna do the exhaust test. Alright, so we got the exhaust fitted on. So we're about to see what the exhaust test looking like. Sounds a lot better. It looks a lot better too. Sounds really amazing. Sounds a lot better. Alright, so this is going to be the finished product. See, we got it flush on there. And it looks really good. Alright, so the next video we're going to be changing out this what is it called? Damn tail light. We're going to be putting an integrated turn signal tail light in there. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Jet King. And like, comment, subscribe.